Long time no see. I'm back today. I just dropped off my motor at Rick's Machine Shop here in Houston, Texas. I dropped off the 6.0. He's gonna be building it. I'm about to drop off the truck to go get painted. Oh, y'all haven't even seen. I put on new wheels. So I put on new wheels on Blue's Clues. She's riding on 26s now. My boy Static Leo put me a new exhaust tip on right here. This is where I'm gonna go get painted. It scratched up pretty good. And then I also want to get the front bumper fixed also. I was at a corner store and then some lady backed up into me. It doesn't look too bad, but just the fact that I know it's there, it bothers me. For the most part, this side looks pretty good. This truck was already repaired before, and the rear bed is cracking. You know, I'm gonna paint the whole bed, fix all the minor details. I went and got the truck tucked and the firewalls and all that. I deleted the hose that come right here. So I'm gonna get it all fixed and bondoed. Have them weld the bed because it's cracked. Now it's time for some love. Oh, dang, the hoe came out playing. So I dropped it off the other day. And I literally dropped this hoe off yesterday. This shit's already flying. I don't know if you can tell I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna get the front bumper done too. Nothing yet, but damn, the progress. Yo, this shit is so sick, bro. With the lines and everything. It's gonna look like a whole new truck. Mint. Right now it's Sunday. I just got a text from my painter about like a couple hours ago. He told me he painted it and it's done. Según, I think he just has to do like maybe a buff on it or something. But I don't know. I'm pretty nervous. I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like. I'm ready to start driving my truck again, even though it's only been like freaking 2 days. I dropped my truck off Friday or Thursday evening. I'm stoked. It's gonna be awesome. Well, I'm here. Let's go walk up and see what they got. Boy did a fire-ass job. Oh, and the tailgate too? Just the right amount of flakes. Cool, he stripped it all the way down. He's gonna spray it all the right way because this was already resprayed, color matched, and they did it wrong. It's still chrome, you shouldn't be able to see it. Fixing it here. It had a big old dent right here because I locked the truck in. The keys in the truck. Looks better. He's repainting the bed. He's gonna do this too. Bed liner. Fucking mints. So he did end up taking off the bed. He took off the side mirrors. I took off these plastic moldings. He said he's about to spray the bed and the hood. Oh, yes. So, oh, yeah. Take off that. That's fucking man. I'm gonna come by and pressure wash this. Shout out to my boy Leo for the carbon exhaust. thinking about throwing a little bit of gold inside of this bad boy. Gonna see if the blue and the gold pops. I think it would look pretty sick. Just want a little bit of detail, something that makes you question what's going on. Fix the hood. Oh, this is fucking sick. Did the bed liner. Well, it's still fucked up right there, but that's my fault. I don't give a shit. Did it just how I wanted it. Nice and clean. What's up, guys? So I'm back. It's another day and I got my truck back. Well, actually I had it back yesterday, but here it is. This is what it looks like. Nice and smooth. He buffed it out. Still has some shit all over it, but it's much better. He did the bed liner. Nice and clean. Need to give it a wash. Fixed everything. I used to have a bad mark right here. Ooh, fixed the bed. Like nothing ever happened. But that's it, you guys. Be the end of this video. Just to make it short, you know. There's only one problem with the truck paint job, and it's that. Other than that, there's no other issues. It was a budget paint job. Not expecting anything perfect here.